I now have another tire that needs to be changed. Actually, okay, I'm gonna out myself a little bit. I filmed a whole video of me taking this tire apart and I pumped up the tube. I didn't hear any air leaking, so I was like, there is still a hole in this tire. And then I put it all back together, refilled it, and it went flat within like 30 seconds. So there is in fact a hole and we just have to change it anyways. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you fixing this one. We'll put this back together. We'll take this bike for a test ride. Let's get started on this tire.
Surya Puriya Pili Biri Buddha, Surya Puriya Pili Biri Buddha, Surya Puriya Pili Biri Buddha.
Here we have our nice blown up tire. Good to go. Good to go. Gonna go ahead and put it back on.
Surya Puriya Pili Biri Buddha, Surya Puriya Pili Biri Buddha, Surya Puriya Pili Biri Buddha.
Wait a minute!
Bro, are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Alright, I guess I'm replacing 2 tires. I'm not gonna bore you with that because I didn't know the back tire was flat as well. So, anyway, and I wonder why tires are so cheap. You have to freaking replace them all the time.